Andean Condor, the majestic giant of the skies. Soaring high above the Andes Mountains of South America is one of the world's largest flying birds, the Andean Condor, Vultur gryphus. With a wingspan that can reach over 10 feet, it dominates the skies, using thermal air currents to glide effortlessly for hours without flapping. Andean condors are scavengers, feeding primarily on carcasses of large mammals, and play a vital role in keeping ecosystems clean. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot food from incredible heights, while their bald heads prevent feathers from becoming dirty while feeding. These birds are known for their longevity and intelligence, living up to 70 years in the wild. Courtship displays are spectacular, with males puffing out their large neck sacs and spreading their wings to attract females. Despite their size, Andean condors are vulnerable due to habitat loss, poisoning, and hunting, making them a symbol of conservation efforts in South America. The Andean condor represents strength, grace, and resilience, a true icon of the skies.